What's going on, everybody? It's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire. Just want to thank you for stopping by the channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I appreciate you here. So what is on the menu today? We are doing boneless chicken thighs. I have a season that I've been wanting to try. I've seen a few times. So that's what we're going to get into today. And oh yeah, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, and let's get it. All right, this is gonna go pretty quick. So here are the chicken thighs we will be using today. And the season that I'm gonna use today is the Chicka Bam Bam. I first saw this season on Rob's channel, Poor Guy with the Blackstone. I think he used it on chicken as well. I will leave a link in the description and probably put something down here to his channel so you can check the guy out. He's a really good guy, does good cooks. Really simple, really easy, on a budget. So make sure to check out Rob. So we'll go ahead and start getting these seasoned. All right, so these look good to me. I'm gonna let them sweat for a bit. I already have the Weber kettle set up and the fire going, so once these sweat a bit, I will take you out and we will get these on the smoker. All right, so let's get this chicken on. As you can see, we have the grill set up. I have a couple pieces of mesquite in there for the smoke. So we'll just get these on and let it do its thing. All right, so we are off and running, and here in the great state of Alabama, it feels like the chicken thighs aren't the only thing that's cooking if you're outside. So we have the smoker at about 275. You saw that we just put the chicken thighs on. I'm gonna just let them run and check them periodically. We want to get them to an internal of about 165. We're cooking kind of slow. We want to get a little smoky taste on there. Like I said, I use some mesquite wood, so we would just check them periodically, let them do their thing, and I'll bring you back for my first check. Okay, so this is the first check. It's been about 35 minutes. As you can see, we're looking pretty good. We took on some smoke here, got some good color going on. Let's get a internal temp and see where we are. 143, 142. Around the 140, so we'll give it probably another 10-15 minutes and we'll go ahead and put some sauce on there and let them finish off. Now the sauce I'll be using today is the first time. I'll be using the Uncle Steve's sauce with no name. I've heard a lot of good things, so ready to try it out. All right, so the chicken is done. It's time to do a taste test. But before we do that, let's do a quick recap. So I pulled the chicken out, we seasoned it, we put it on the grill, we let it smoke for a bit, and then we added some Uncle Steve's sauce with no name, let it continue and tack up. So now we are ready for it. So let's take a look at it. Nice sauce there, a little bit of moisture. So that's really good. I really like the seasoning, the Chicka Bam Bam, and I also really like the Uncle Steve sauce with no name. This is definitely a hit. If you guys want a cheap meal, as high as food is, this is a go-to. So I want to thank you for stopping by the channel, Salt, Pepper, and Fire. I really appreciate you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave me a like and a comment and a share. And until next time, we'll see you guys.